Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel Hotel Management and Hoteliers Life. Today in this video I am going to explain about the different type of service in hotel industry. As you can see, this is the type of a service chart which I draw it here to explain you quick. So the service is first classified in three. Number one is waiter service, number two is self service, and number three is assisted service. In the waiter service, this is the classification where the waiter is going to help to the guest in the service. Number one is English service. The English service is also called as silver service. Number two is American service. The American service is also called as a pre-plated service. Number three is French service. French service is called as a family service. Russian service. Russian service is also called as a sideboard service. Garrison service. Garrison service is also called as a trolley service. Tray service. Tray service, as you know, the service in which tray required to serve the food. Room service, the service which are giving inside the guest room in hotels. Then we have a self service. They are further classified in three. Number one is cafeteria service, which are mostly popular in institutional catering, hospitals, or the big industrial caterings. Number two is counter service and vending machine service. Then we are coming on the assisted service, in which these are classified in two. Number one is buffet service, number two is carvery. In buffet service also they are classified in three. Number one is sit down, number two is buffet, number three is finger. Apart from this, as per the technology involved in the service industry, so as you can see, there is some other service also. Number one is robotic service, which are the food is served from the robots, and we are taking the advantage from the technology. Then other one is automatic or conveyor belt service. Then mobile pantry service and single point service. So this is the whole chart of type of service in hotel industry. This all I will explain one by one now. In the type of a service, the first is waiter service. In the waiter service, the waiter is going to serve the food to the guest at guest place. It may be restaurant table, hospital, flight, or other location, or maybe the guest room. Here the waiter is going to take the food and serve as per the guest request. English service. English service, also known as a silver service. In this type of method of service, the food are presented to the guest, then served from the left hand side of the guest with spoon and fork, while the beverages are served from the right hand side, and the clearance also done from the right hand side. The dessert also served from the right hand side. This service also known as one of the formal service of the hotel industry, and this service are mostly found in luxury hotels or fine dining restaurant. American service. American service is very simple and informal service. This service also called as a pre-plated service. In this service, the food is pre-plated in the kitchen and neatly garnished by the chef. Here the food is picked up by the waiter and then served from the right hand side of the guest. You need to remember few things in this service. Number one, the food is served from the right hand side, beverage also served from the right hand side, dessert also served from the right hand side, and the clearance also done from the right hand side. While you doing clearance in this service, you need to be very careful. While you doing clearance of cup and glasses, you need to use salver to clear the table. However, when you cleaning the table for the dinner plate and B&B, you need to use your hand. This service also having a few advantages and limitations. American service having these type of advantages. Number one, it's provide quick and fast service to the guest, so it will not waste the time of the guest. Here the seat turnover is also very high. Here the staff required little less. Here the staff also required little less skills while serving the food. Here the kitchen staff having a chance to showcase their skills. These are the advantages. However, this service also having few limitations. Here the skilled waiter is not having the chance to showcase his skill. Here the the food may get cold while delivering from the kitchen to the table. French service. French service is also called as a family service. In this service, the food is ordered by the guest, then the food is placed on the table and guests help themselves, and the food is presented to the each guest from the left hand side and they help themselves. Here the waiter is going to assist with if they need any assistant while passing the dishes to one guest to another guest. This type of service is mostly popular in French restaurant, ethnic restaurant or Indian restaurant. Here the accompaniments or the other accompaniments which need to give for the service is also placed on the table and guests help themselves, and the water and beverage also served from the right hand side from the guest. And this service also having a few limitations and advantage. The advantage of this service is there is no food wastage and there is a very high seat turnover compared to the silver service, and here waiter is not required to serve the food to the guests, only assistant required. Russian service. Russian service is very elaborate service, and this service also called as a sideboard service. In this service, the large joint of roasted poultries, chicken, duck or fish are served. In this service, the food is garnished nicely by the chef and neatly arranged on the platter, and then it's sent to the guest for approval. After approval of guest, then it kept on the hot plate at sideboard. At sideboard, this food is carved and portioned nicely. Then this food is served from the left hand side of the guest. This service is little elaborate and having very large sequence. In this type of a service, the food is served from the sideboard, and this type of service is nowadays it's not used most of the restaurant. Carry-on service. Carry-on service also called as a trolley service. In this service, the food or the dishes are prepared, carved, flambed on the trolley in front of the guest. Then they are served from the left hand side of the guest with service spoon and fork. This type of service is very effective tool of merchandising, and however different restaurant having a different constructed trolleys for different purposes, like liquor trolley for serving of alcohol, cheese trolley, flambe trolley or some other different type of trolley for other purposes. This type of service is mostly popular in luxury hotels or fine dining restaurants. In the classification of types of service, the second number is self-service. Self-service is one of the simplest service in hotel industry. In this service, the guest help themselves. Here, waiter or waitress are not going to serve the food to the guest. This service is classified in three classification. Number one is cafeteria service, number two is vending machine service, and number three is counter service. The first number is cafeteria service. In this service, the guest comes in the cafeteria, they pick up the tray, then they move to the counter which one they want to enjoy the food. From that counter, they pick up the dishes which one they want to eat, and then they move to the cashier. Then they pay the bill. After that, this collect the cutlery from the cutlery counters with napkin, and they move to the dining hall. This service is mostly popular in institutional catering, hospital or industrial caterings. Counter service. In this type of a service, the guest select the dishes from the menu card, and then they pay the bill and they get the token. They collect the dishes against the token, and then they can eat in the premises or they can take it as a parcel and eat out of the premises. This type of service are mostly popular in canteen, kiosk, cafeteria or fast food outlet. Third number is vending machine. In this style of service, the guest get the food from the machine. In this service, the guest insert the coin or the token in the machine, and then they get the food from the machine. In this service, they get the wide variety of hot and cold dishes with different type of beverages also. This type of machines are installed in very busy areas like airport, schools, mall or at busy areas where the high traffic of public is found. Third number is assisted service. This is the combination of waiter service and self-service. Here the guest collect the dishes from the buffet and the waiter is going to help with the water or accompaniment of the dishes. This service is classified into number 1 is buffet service and number 2 is Carvery. Buffet service. In this style of service, the food is neatly garnished by the chef and arranged attractively on the banquet tables. Here the guests help themselves, and in this style of service the plates and cutlery also kept at the beginning of the table. In this style, guests just need to pick up the plates and help themselves. The hot food are kept in the chefing dishes to maintain the temperature of the food. However, the cold food also kept in different containers to maintain the temperature less than 5 degree centigrade. And the buffet can also be break down in different courses like soup counter, vegetarian counter, non-vegetarian counter, or pasta counter, salad counter, or beverage counter. Here you can break down the buffet as per the counters. Buffet is further classified in 3. Number 1 is sit down buffet, number 2 is finger buffet, number 3 is fork buffet. Now the question is coming, what is sit down buffet? In sit down style of buffet, the food is arranged on the buffet. However, the crockery cutlery are arranged on the table to sit for the guest. Here the guests select the dishes and they take the food from the buffet and they come and sit on the table and they enjoy the lunch or dinner or meal. Here the waiter is going to assist with the serving of water or clearing the table. Number 2 is fork buffet. Fork buffet. In this style of buffet, guests are expected to stand and eat with one single cutlery, that is normally fork. Here the food is specially designed so it can be easily managed by single fork, and guests are expected to stand and enjoy the buffet. Finger buffet. In this style of buffet, guests are expected to eat with fingers. Here they collect the dishes from the buffet counter and they eat with fingers. Here hand washing facility is essential and that is provided by the hotels. Carvery. In this style of service, the basic concept is the large roast joint of chicken meat are carved by the carver at carver counters. Here the guests help themselves, and this type of service is nowadays too much popular in luxury hotels, in restaurants all around the world. As the improvement in technology, the service of the hotel also influenced from the technology. Number 1 is robotic service, number 2 is conveyor belt or automatic service, number 3 is mobile pantry service. Now we are coming on the robotic service. So in this style of service, the food are delivered from the robots and they are work like a waiter. Here they serve the food in the restaurant or in the hotel with the help of robots. Now number 2 is conveyor belt or automatic conveyor belt service. In this style of service, the conveyor belt are set up on the table and the food are placed on that conveyor belt, and that automatically move slowly and guests help themselves. Number 3 is mobile pantry service. In this style of service, the mobile pantries are installed at every floor or in the lift of the hotel. In this style of service, the guest order the food to the room service and room service deliver the food by the mobile pantries at appropriate floor. At appropriate floor, when it's reached, the waiter who is responsible for that floor, he deliver the food from that pantry to the particular room or to the guest. The mobile pantry service is nowadays too much popular in few hotels. Single point service. In this style of service, the guest order the food from the counter. From that same counter, he receive the food. In this style of service, the guest get food very quick and very fast. This style of service are nowadays too much popular in fast food outlet, in the canteen or in the cafeteria. This style of service is very quick and very fast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get the full information about the types of service in hotel industry. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and please press the bell icon so you can get the notification of my videos, and share this video with your hotelier friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.